something like that. Hello folks, welcome again to my channel. We have today the 2023 KLR 650. We want to do the first oil change since Ryan bought it new. We have the oil right here. It's 2.1 quarts, yep. Supposed to be 2.1 on the oil filter. On the drain plug, it's right here. It's a 17 millimeter. Yep. 17 millimeter. Too low, kind of low, but whatever you want to open it. Take it out. The drain plug is right here. As you can see it. You need longer. You got a longer ratchet. Drain plug. Careful, it's kind of hot. I don't know if you have experience in doing long changes, but try it.
No, I don't at all.
What about it right here, wax? Like I said, the first oil change since Ryan bought it brand new. I already have like almost 900 miles, right? Yeah. Very nice bike. I like the color. Suspension, engine wise, everything is very nice. We just rode over there to Belleville this morning with 100 degrees already, 10 o'clock in the morning.
At least.
Like I said, we want to do the oil change. Right here, the drain plug, 17 millimeter socket, and on the other side, on the right side, in the motorcycle, we can see the room. I mean the space where it's the filter. So we want to open. We like to open to the filler cap, so that way we have more flow in the oil. So we can see right here, it's 8 millimeter to hold the 2 bolts for the oil filter, and we are sweating like crazy. You know what? There you go. Makes that perfect. Try to pry the whole we can use a flat screwdriver too to take it out of the filter. Looks okay. Perfect. Do you remember what is the schedule on these bikes?
Supposed to be done at 600.
Okay.
But of course we decided to ride
it's not a little bit more.
So it's not a big deal.
So what is that? The little holder for the middle?
Yep.
The filter. So you take it out from there, right? From the whole filter?
Yep. Take it out of that.
Okay.
Put it in there.
Okay. Any position or is it just the regular?
Looks like.
And then I don't remember, it's the new. There you go.
Gonna go like that.
How about the, okay, we need to change the O-ring. What do you think? Of course, right? Always?
Always.
We put the new O-ring, making sure it's a very good lubrication.
Whoop.
It's a little bit hot, so.
Yes, it's very hot.
Yeah, exactly. Very, no little.
Okay.
I remember the arrow pointing to the bottom, I think so. Or is the pointing out?
It was pointing up.
There you go. Put it back together like that, and then put it back to 2 8 millimeter bolts. And then, do you remember how about the coolant? 3,000 miles.
Yes. Yeah.
Maybe. And then maybe the brake fluid, maybe 10,000 or 5,000, whatever.
I'm gonna check it at 5,000, and then if there's anything discoloration or anything like that, I'll do it.
If not, go over there to 3,000, maybe every year. I mean, every 2 years.
Yes.
We need to do the brake flush on these bikes.
Oh, we gotta put the drain plug back in.
All right, we can go this side and put it back the drain plug. Of course, checking the crosser washer. Everything looks okay. I'm gonna put the specs and the description below about the torques. In this case, in the trim plug. So now we wanna put the oil, the new fresh oil. What kind of oil are you using?
I'm using Lucas 15W40 full synthetic.
Full synthetic, okay.
Yep.
So this engine needs, the specs requires 2.1 quarts?
2.1 quarts.
There you go. There you go. This is the second quart. We drove maybe this morning, maybe 150 miles.
Yeah, around there.
Maybe 200 miles, something like that. So the engine is warm, very good. So we can drain perfectly all the oil in the engine. A little bit more.
Just a little bit.
Just not a lot. Just a bit. There you go.
Right there.
We have the bezel right here.
Yep.
We can check the level right here. This right side of the engine. And of course we want to start it up and turn it off and make sure the level is good. Start up the engine, make sure it's no leaks right here with the drain plug. And then we want to verify the other side with the filter. Right here is the filter. We don't see any leaks, anything like that. It is perfect. So right here is the level oil when you turn it off. Maybe.
The factory blue line that they put on there to.
I think so, yeah.
It's probably 2.2.
Exactly, yeah.
Which is off a little bit.
You can see from here. Perfect. Alright folks, thanks for watching. And see you in the next one. You can see Ryan's bike right here. After a hot ride today, huh?
Oh my god.
See you in the next one.
Okay, now.
Got it?
Yeah.
Better?
I was afraid it was gonna fall if I tried.
Bye man.
Later, man.
Later.